Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to see how you can present the synced audio with the video or presentation in Canva. So if you want to see the complete playlist about Canva, you can check out the description. And without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. Now in the last video, I said that you cannot adjust the audio with that present and record feature, but there is some additional option that you can use there. I'll take some presentation, for example. From the home tab, I'll go to presentation, and let's say if I choose this presentation about the class syllabus, apply to all 10 pages, and let's say if I want to record something like I'm presenting and recording according to the slides, and the audio should automatically adjust and it should be produced in a video form. So we will use the record and present feature. I'll go to share and present and record, go to the recording studio. My recording is working and I'll start recording. And here I will talk about the presentation a little bit. So this is the Forget Elementary School class syllabus. I'm guiding you through the entire class syllabus that you need to focus on. Hello and welcome to my English class. I'll give you some introduction to the English class, and we will see in the next area what lessons we will cover. So I'll go to the lessons. Lessons to be covered are something like this. There are some requirements for the class that you need to consider. So these are the requirements for the class and some more requirements for the class. And the goal of this class is as follows. So as you can see that I am changing the slides, and now I'm going to talk about evaluation. And finally, thank you for joining in. And this is the end of it. So as I end record, it will be said upload to your recording. And this is the link basically that you can share on your browser or on your website so that all the people or your classmates can access it over the browser. So just copy that link, paste it on your Facebook page or any social media page, and they all will be able to see that recording. So this is particularly useful for online classes like teachers used to do in COVID. So this is pretty effective, and save and exit. Now once I go to present and record, this was the link that I showed you earlier. So if you want to see that recording, I'll just copy this and let's see how it is available for everyone to view. And here I will mention a little bit. So this is the Forget Elementary School class syllabus. I'm guiding you through the entire class syllabus that you need to focus on. Hello and welcome to my English class. I'll give you some introduction to the English class, and we will see in the next area. So as you can see that anyone with this link can easily see that recording. Even if we try it in a new private window, the person who doesn't even have the sign up for Canva can also see that or not. Let's see. So you don't even need to sign into Canva or have any Canva account for that. You can share that publicly, and every person with this link can see this recording. So this is a pretty handy tool. And I said earlier that you won't be able to match the audio with the video, but this is the feature that you can use in here, that is the link function. And also finally, if you want to download this in MP4, you can download that and it will be downloaded with the audio. So that's it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.